DaVinci Resolve, guys, has done it again, and they've introduced some really great features. And especially as a photographer, you're definitely going to enjoy the photo side of it. Let's get straight into it. So we have the DaVinci website here, and as you can see, it says introducing DaVinci Resolve 21, download for free. Once you click inside, you can come here, and this is where you're going to actually download the free version or the studio version. We are inside the new photo section of DaVinci Resolve, and as you can see, I have a few photos here. Like, I won't be spending much time in any of these, but I just want to get you guys up to speed with what these can really do. Here we go. So one thing I really enjoy about this so far is how snappy it actually is. You can literally just move the sliders and it's very responsive. So for this photo, I'll probably just take the yellow down a little bit, increase a little bit of the magenta, and boom, you have it there. And you can literally make any kind of adjustment. Just press, if you notice that your photos like this ain't close really done, just press Z on the keyboard and it comes right back to 100%. And also if you click on the handle right here, you can see your different options to make your adjustments over here. Also, if you want to do your edits like similar to what you do normally inside DaVinci Resolve, you have the different stuff up here. You have your histogram, you have your waveform, and you have your vector scope. And you can look at your vector scope and look at where the skin is on the line and stuff like that. All right, so the next thing you can also do inside the photo section here, if you do highlight all of this, you can drag these all the way down here. And what it does is automatically creates an album. Or you can actually come here and you can say create album from using selected clips. So if we go over here to our edit page, you're going to see this actual video right here. And the thing I like about this new feature that I'm going to be showing you guys now is called UltraSharp. So if I go over to the color page here, and you can see that it's actually deselected, and if I go and I activate it, you can see how well it actually sharpened the skin, and this is already maxed out. I have actually another method that I normally use. If I deselect that and come over here, you can see how it looks very unnatural, not very real. And this is the radius function right here, down here. And if you go, you can start seeing artifacts inside the video right there. And it doesn't look natural at all. It doesn't look as nice as this with the UltraSharp actually looks over here. It looks really, really crisp. The next thing I want to actually show you, introduce you guys to, is, let's just move on from here. If we come over here, guys, and we have this new function over here, it's called AI Face Age Transform. If I should go and turn this on and come over to my edit page and come right over here and just click on the play, you can actually see what it actually does to the video. You see it slowly and slowly ages his face. It's not perfect, but you have to also keep in mind that, guys, this is actually a beta that we're still in. So one of the things I'd actually advise you to do, if you're going to be installing this on your main computer where you're going to be working on projects or stuff like that, I'd recommend that you do any form of backup so that you don't mess up any of your stuff, just in case you need to revert back to the original version. So the next thing I really want to show you guys over here is this other AI feature. And this is where, let me just reset all of this. And you have this thing called Face Reshaper. If I just drag this over here and put this on, you're going to see these options over here. What you can actually do, guys, is you can actually first, you're going to detect face, and then you're going to just run this back and forth so it analyzes the face and get everything going. All right, so once it has it, when you just wait and for this to be finished. Just waiting for it right there. So once that is complete, now you can just click on this over here to take off the overlay, all right? And then now what you can do now is you can come here and you can adjust the face. As you can see right there, you can make it smaller. You can shrink it down even more. You can extend the jaw, the cheek. You can raise it up or down. You get the idea. And then now, if we go back over to our edit page, we can just have this run. And you can see what that looks like. Like I said, it's not perfect. It's still in the beta form, so Just set your expectation accordingly. Next one we're going to tackle now is this new feature called the speech generator, guys. And I have to say, this feature is actually pretty amazing to know that you can actually have multiple voices within this. Here you have 2 males, 2 females. You can also do a customize, meaning that you can upload at least 10 seconds of your own voice and actually have it spit out audio sounding like you. So in other words, let's say you did a video and one of your sections of the video got messed up, maybe you say the arm or whatever too many times, you can actually try to use this in order to correct some of those issues. Let me just give you an example of what some of the audio sounds like over here. So let's just pick male 1. And once you click on male 1 here, you're going to have your speed, you're going to have your variations, you're also going to have your pitch. This is where you're going to make adjustment to the voice over here. Also, you have a generate ID, and then you have randomize, and you can also name the file. When you click on this down here, you can either put it to a new track, which is when the rendering happens, you put it to a new track, or you can put it to the actual track that is actually present right there, which is audio 1 in this case. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put a few text inside here and then get started. DaVinci Resolve 21 is here and it's in beta form, but I gotta say it's truly amazing. So now that I've put in the text here, I can, like I mentioned, I already selected the male, and all I'm going to do now is just generate and put it to the test. So as you can see there, it's almost pretty much done. And it's pretty quick, guys, so you don't have to wait too long in order to hear what is happening. So all I'm going to do now is just click on cancel, and as you can see right there, it's on the timeline. And pretty much all we're going to do now is just play.
The DaVinci Resolve 21 is here, and it's in beta form, but I gotta say it's truly amazing.
All right, so if I go back to here again, go to AI voice speech generator, and then now what I can do is a generation ID. If I select, let's say, I don't know, a random number 15, and I'm going to regenerate.
The DaVinci Resolve 21 is here, and it's in beta form, but I gotta say it's truly amazing.
So the next thing I'm going to do is let you hear what the female voice actually sounds like. Same thing, I'm just going to select female. Let's select female 2 for this one. And let's just use number 8 for argument's sake. And make sure we just put it on the audio track 1, and then we're just going to generate.
The DaVinci Resolve 21 is here and it's in beta form, but I gotta say it's truly amazing.
Yeah, so you can see how natural sounding it definitely is. You have to play with it and tweak it to get it to something that you actually truly like, because as you can hear, the first couple male one, they sound a little bit robotic in the beginning, but once it continues, it sounds a lot clearer and better. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this and if it's something that you consider getting. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.